and I have to say I could see remarkable change, and it was very good. I really liked the way the enthusiasm, and there were certain parameters it was mentioned: voice modulation, body language, content, engagement with the audience, and all those parameters I could clearly see because I know them all very well for so many years. So now I could see there is a change. And as rightly mentioned, it need to be continued, it need to be coming in our day to day, because here we were all aware that we will be evaluated on that and we were doing it, but subconsciously it has to be internalized and it has to be practiced in our day to day thing. So great results I would say.
Implementing, and today what I am seeing is, so we have created a good foundation, what I am seeing today, and you guys did a lot of erection in this like 3 months. Now it's the stringing which is left, and it will go lifelong, and you need to run it in a very powerful and efficient way to ensure you grow in your personal as well as professional life. So thanks to sir for his vision, for making us see what we were not able to see, because we were like, पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट एक ट्रेडिशनल प्रोग्राम होता है, हम उसको ट्रेडिशनली कर सकते हैं, बट ही इज वेरी पर्टिकुलर कि नहीं, what we are going to do, it should be impactful, and what Karthik and Harun mentioned, end result in mind. What was his vision? At that time I was not having that end result in mind, but he was very clear, and today I am seeing that end result is coming. So thank you.
May not use the word sea change, but there is huge change. I mean, the way they have picked up the nuances, like the way you start the presentation, the body language, then the idioms they have used, and then clarity of thought, I must say. Of course, we can distinguish between the groups that somebody was better, somebody was a bit lesser in terms of the deliveries. But at this point, if you tell me, I would not want to make a distinction between among the groups. All of them worked hard, and that truly reflected in their groups.
It was very nice to see people so confident. If you see many people, they are in white shirts, properly tucked in shirts. People in coats, the ladies in coats. So I think it really gives you, like you also said, people notice these things. When you're going outside, you're presenting KEC. In fact, I was feeling very odd wearing a t-shirt. Had I known, I would also come in a white shirt. So it was very nice. Then how people introduced themselves during the presentation, and how 3 people coordinated and handed over the things to each other. That was a very nice thing. Not comparing presentation any person. I put in certain challenging questions. I asked him why your presentation was so long. It was not his presentation was long. I just wanted to have an answer from him. He greeting people over how are you feeling? So these are very good things, and in fact there were some learnings for us also. Maybe over the years we also became complicit in few things. So it was very nice in learning. And like he was told that when he came in for the first time, and there's a sea change in him. So I think that is very good. The facilitator observed it. So it was very nice. And I think honestly, it was a very nicely thought of program. And people being so young who have to go many years, it's good that you need it, and the journey continues for you.
Just were there in each and everyone. So most of them, I will say not most of them, some of them I know, especially Harun. He was working with CPMG team. He was a bit very shaky while having the conversation, but today I saw him a different person. So this type of Chaitanya, he was very calm and quiet, but he has started the presentation, and it was very good. The way he has greeted to the public, and he has expressed himself, the way he has handed over the stage to his next colleague, that was commendable. So everybody, I can see whom I know, there is a big change.
Whatever is the change is just that. A dramatic change I have seen in the people, and I was just complimenting you again. I was trying to correlate yourself in an English movie. The English trainer. He was so curious. He was pointing out each and everything. What is the changes? What should be the changes? And there is a change we can see.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, people.